What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to Travis the Case Guy. Just want to do a little pocket dump for y'all today, and got a few things here in the mail that we're gonna have to go over. Anyway, start with the pocket dump. We work today, as most of us, so we have the Case Longhouse, beautiful green micarta in the CPM 20 CV steel. Absolute banger of a knife. Just that locking problem. We'll get that took care of. Olight, same stuff, y'alls. Jesus. And then still been rocking the red jig bone Boker Tree brand, little 2-blade copperhead. Really like it, y'all. Really like it. But I just may have a new knife for venturing out series. Cause y'all, this comes from none other than the man, the myth, the legend, Mr. Terry over at Terry's Knives and Man Stuff. He was so gracious to do a sticker swap with me. He gave me 2 of his OG stickers, and he blessed me with one of his new ones. Really dig them. But y'all, he done it. He done it. I got his package, and I said, Terry, you dirty dog. I said, I already know what you done. But y'all, he sent me this old timer right here. It is a jigged synthetic, saw cut synthetic handles, little lock back knife. That's your old timer there. Old timer, and I forget the numbers. It was old timer 1122, and it is the 50T. Don't have a clue what it means, y'all. Don't have a clue. But y'all, Terry, you didn't have to do all this, brother. Listen, brother, I'll put this in the pocket tomorrow. I sure will, brother. I sure will. Thank you so much, brother Terry. I'm speechless. I'm speechless. Then old brother Byron hooked the brother up over at Splitting Slices. Try to get that to focus. There you go. He sent me one of his square stickers, and he hooked me up, y'all. Sent me 1, 2, 3, sent me 6 of his 3-inch Splitting Slices logos. Thank you so much, brother, for doing the sticker swap with me. Can't thank y'all enough that have done the sticker swaps with me. And also in the mail today. Now this ain't, it's my stuff. This is what we had, y'all. This is what we had. It's a big 4-inch. I mean, look at it. Look at that. Can't even see me. It's a big 4-inch whopping sticker. We got her toned down now, y'all. We got her toned down. Got 100 of the good old faithful. Got them 3 inches now, y'all. Look at where we came from. Golly. Y'all, that's crazy. Anyway, that's not, I do got some 3-inch now. which I'll be taking a whole heap of, a vast majority. Well, I'm gonna take all of them, every one of them, because I'll be going to Blade Show Atlanta this Saturday, and I'll take them with me, give out to some people. I'll look forward to meeting a whole bunch of content creators down there. Brother Terry, better look out. I'm coming for you. Coming for you, brother. Anyway, Brother Terry, thank you so much, man. Thank you so much. Love it. Can't thank you enough. Also, can't thank you enough, Mr. Byron over at Splitting Slices. I will link both of these channels. Look at that. Oh, just put a full spread on that thing. I will link both of these guys in the description. Go check them out, which if you have somehow stumbled upon my channel and you don't know them, you have committed a federal crime. There'd be somebody out there that gets that. Be somebody out there that gets that. Thank y'all. God bless y'all. Thank the two for the sticker swap. And Brother Terry, like I said again, thank you for the knife, brother. Y'all be sure to hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you in the next one. Travis the Case Guy. Out.